Welcome to the CC&A Insurance podcast. I'm your host, Laura Aliphon, and in each episode we sit down with our experts to simplify the world of insurance and risk management. Our goal is to provide you with the practical information you need to protect what matters to you most. Today we are diving into the topic of a new product called MYCYLUTION. And today joining me is Candice Osborne. Candice is one of our directors and a broker here at CC&A Insurance, and she's going to be chatting with us regarding this product. So Candice, would you like to give us a little product overview?
Thank you for having me, Laura. So the product we're going to talk about today is called MYCYLUTION. Now the actual word of it, my, means me, my individual, cy being cyber, and this word solution meaning a solution for this problem. So MYCYLUTION is a personal cyber insurance policy designed to protect individuals and their families against the financial and emotional impact of cybercrime. It provides comprehensive cover and expert supports when things go wrong. It really is about safeguarding your digital life when things go wrong.
So Candice, can you tell us who would benefit from a product like this?
Pretty much every single individual, South African individual. So if you have a bank account, you will benefit. If you have a cell phone, if you have a computer, if you do online shopping, all of that. Basically, if you have a digital footprint, which if you have any of those, you will benefit from this policy.
So what would something like this cost, and how would one go about signing up for this?
So Laura, currently MYCYLUTION have 5 options available. A very basic option right through to a top of the range, which has obviously all the bells and whistles. The basic option will cost you in the region of about R22.50 a month, right through to top of the range, which would be in the region of about R300 a month.
Who would it include?
You can buy a product that's just for you as an individual, or you can buy a product that includes a partner, or it can include up to 3 children. The 3 children have to be under the age of 18.
And is this cost per month?
Per month.
Okay. Candice, can you tell us how someone would sign up for this?
First of all, get hold of CC&A Insurance Brokers. That would be your first step. It can literally take 3 minutes. It's all done online. There's no proposal form needed. You literally go through filling in your personal details, debit order details, and that's it. Choose your option. Policies issued.
So you spoke earlier about having a bank account, having a cell phone, or doing online shopping. So cyber is obviously quite a broad topic. So what specifically does this product cover for our clients?
To give you a good example that can resonate with pretty much everyone, if you think about how many people you've heard about being scammed out of their money out of their bank account, click on a link, you get it via SMS or something along those lines, it's exactly that, theft of funds from your bank account. That is for the first option and the basic option that MYCYLUTION offers. That's the first and foremost, the biggest thing that I think everybody needs to take cover for. The others are important. That includes extortion, kidnapping, cyberbullying, but the theft of funds and the identity theft are your 2 main covers that are offered. And today's the IT savvy people that are out there, the people like you and I that, we work in the industry, but we don't understand what goes on in the dark web. So for me, this is not a, should I take it out? It's a case of, I have to. This insurance policy for me is true peace of mind.
So Candice, with this being a fairly new product to CC&A specifically, where can clients find out more about this? I believe there's a brochure that details quite a bit of what's covered and the different options available to our clients.
Quite correct, Laura. So They can contact their broker directly, call in at CC&A, speak to one of our lovely staff members or brokers, or they can have a look on our website. Brochure's really simple reading. All the categories and options are available. The pricing is there. It really is a really, really simple, nice, easy product that you don't need to. You don't have to be a boffin or a legal boffin to understand. It really is simple, and it's explained in a really nice way that is easy reading for all of us. It's a really, really good product. I'll be signing up today.
Great. So thank you, Candice. Thank you for joining us today and for giving us some information on MYCYLUTION. We appreciate your time. And that brings us to the end of today's podcast. And we just want to thank you for coming and visiting us on our channel. And we look forward to seeing you at the next episode.